larger business problems which I had no solution to. For example, supply chain, HR, marketing, branding. When I went to IIM Ahmedabad, in one of our classroom discussions, the professor picked up the situation. I said that, okay, it's good for philanthropy, it's a blog. There is no moat because tomorrow someone else is going to replicate the same thing that you are doing. But because I'm a Marwadi, I will have to look at an ROI. Will not come if you intend to come back to India. And CFA competes a lot with the CA Janta. The vibrancy that is in the air there. You have a Hansraj College fellow, not necessarily an SRCC, who will start with a VC firm at 15 lakhs, 14 lakhs. Bain will pick them up.
What is different here in starting a firm, managing a firm, and what are the nuances that people who are coming to start up in the city don't know about?
When it came to things like valuation, financial modeling, DD, I've actually done that all my life.
When associated with audit, so how is it different from that?
It is when a transaction is contemplated between two parties, and I as a buyer really want to understand whether what you have told.
When a valuation is taking place in a private round, let's say you mentioned a Series F round versus a IPO round.
And that P was after the profit which considered a one-time gain from one of their investments. If you excluded that, it was actually a negative P trend in the market. As I said, it started with that $300 billion of Russian treasury being confiscated by the US. Now post-listing, it becomes a very clear thing that you have a strike price for the option. You have the current market price, you will be taxed on that differential. That way, it also depends on how the startup founder wants to price it, what money he wants to leave, what is the incentive structure he wants to create. It's a typical Marwadi family. They judge you typically on the basis of your salary. And it was fairly okay. I mean, 18-20 lakhs per annum is a good salary for someone who's at the age of 28, 29, especially in Calcutta. So it was like, ब्याह हो गया, छोरी होगी, इतने पढ़ाई सूजन लग रही है, fire and steel, cloth merchants, transport businesses, tea gardens. And the startup ecosystem now in Calcutta has also been fairly vibrant. So if truth be told, this city is not open to new people in many ways because it's a very relationship driven kind of a city.